Okay, this is the DPE crossover. It stands for double parallel even crossover, and we'll explain what that means after we've constructed it. So here I have my add a NIDA panel open. Let's go to DNA strand creator, and then I'll just click my left mouse button and drag to create one. Let's make one 30 base pairs long and shift it over. We got a nice orange color scheme. And then we'll make another one directly under it, also 30 base pairs long. Oh. And then let's select them, and we'll go edit and line, and just align them in the XY plane. And then let's adjust our visual model a little bit. So we'll go to the inspector tab, and I like to lower the scale to 2.6, and just so it looks more like conventional DNA, we can check show base pairing too. So that makes it look pretty cool. All right, so let's make our crossovers. We're gonna go back to the item panel, and let's select our break command. Oh, wait, before we do that, we gotta move these a little bit more. So let's select the top strand, and you remember that the end with the little cone and the ball is the 3' end, and the end without the cone is the 5' end. So with this selected, let's rotate it until our 3' end is down into this bottom corner closer to the 3' end of this green strand. So we got just click anywhere. Oh, sorry, I had break selected. Yeah, if you do that, you can just join it back together, and then we'll rotate it. Now we'll rotate it. Just click anywhere and rotate it. Maybe looks pretty good. Okay, now we want the break command, and we'll count back 10 nucleotides from the 3' end. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead and cut it, and then we'll do this end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cut it. Looks good. And so on this side, we're gonna count on the 5' end. So because of this, how these bonds are joined to the nucleotide, we actually want to go 11 back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Cut there. Looks good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Cut there. Good. Looks good. Okay, now we're going to connect these together. And this time we're going to go in we're going to make a parallel junction. So parallel means that the strands have the same directionality, they're pointing the same way. That's the opposite of anti-parallel. So we'll just connect it like this and connect it like this, and you can see that 3' is still heading to the left on both strands, but you have this cross junction, and we'll do that over here. So 3 to 5, 3 to 5, and that's it. So that's our double crossover in parallel, because the strands are going in the same direction, and even because we have two half turns between the junctions, so that makes it a DPE crossover. And then of course, if you want, you can set your own colors, which I like to do. I'll just do one as an example, but I won't show them all. So you can just select some nucleotides, go to the select off the menu bar, select parents, and then go ahead, right click on the highlighted strand in the document view, and you can select your color. I'll make this a blue, and then that's it. That's it for this one. I'm going to go ahead and color the other ones, then I will upload this part to the repo.